I am sleeping. It is night. It is very quiet. I hear a loud sound. I wake up. I sit up in my bed. What is that? I listen again. Is it an alarm? It is very loud now. I feel confused. I feel nervous. I stand up. I walk to the door. I open the door. The sound is louder. People are in the hallway. They are walking fast. Some people look worried. I hear someone say, "Fire!" Oh no! There is a fire. I feel scared. I need to go. I walk quickly. I go down the stairs. I stop. I see my neighbour. She is an old lady. She looks very scared. She looks at me. She says, "Max is inside." Max? I feel confused. Is Max a child? She says, "He is in the apartment." Oh no. I feel worried. I feel very worried. I say, "I will go back." She is too slow. I turn. I run up the stairs. I run fast. I go to her door. The door is open. I go inside. "Max," I call. "Max." I look around. I listen. I hear a small sound. I look down. Max is there. It is a dog. A small dog. He looks scared. I pick him up. I hold him close. We run. We run fast. I go down the stairs. I go outside. It is raining. The rain is cold. I have no shoes. I am barefoot. I am in my underwear. I feel embarrassed. The ground is wet. My feet are cold. There are many people outside. Everyone is standing. Everyone is waiting. I hear a loud truck. A fire truck. The fire brigade is here. They go inside the building. We all wait. We wait in the rain. It is cold. A minute later, a fireman comes out. He looks at us. "What happened?" I ask. "No fire, it is a mistake," he says. I feel confused. Then I feel better. No fire. Everyone is safe. The old lady comes. She sees Max. She smiles. She looks very happy. I feel better. Tonight I hear a loud alarm. I think there is a fire. I meet my neighbour. She is worried about Max. I go back alone. I carry him. We go outside. The fire brigade comes. There is no fire. It is only a mistake. Now everyone is safe. It is quiet again. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.